Oh.
So this kitten, Pharaoh, cannot stop sneezing. He's already sneezed like 20 times in a row. I think something's probably just irritating his nose. Can you turn around this way? It's a little light.
You can hold him up or down. Whatever, I'm gonna fall.
Okay, he's gonna sneeze again. Oh, baby, what's up your nose? Is it that stupid dusty cat litter? Did I change you for a minute? I've never observed a cat sneezing. The fact that he moves his mouth first. This is like a sneeze. Yawn. Poor baby. Can you get it out? It's like, just let me play.
You wanna go play? You wanna go play?
Oh my gosh, look! Oh, somebody's watching on the Pet Cube and Chickadee just like... Focus. Oh, focus. Mama, I'm so happy to be back with your baby. Look at she keeps coming up to the camera. That's so funny. What are you doing, Mama? She's like half playing, half cleaning. Oh, she loves Micro and they're gonna live together happily ever after. Oh. She gonna get you, Micro. Mom's like a little child. Oh, look! They're so happy to have their mommy back. Oh, so sweet. Oh, my turn, Mommy. Clean me. Oh, she gets to be a kitten now. You guys get your mommy's tail? Whoa! Good baby.